All right, we are back on this holiday morning. 6:42 is the time. Fairly quiet start. Most of the weekend's been pretty good. Kind of warm and muggy, but other than shower and storm chances, especially to start it, we've had minor threats, but we managed to avoid a lot of that here in the metro. And I think today is going to be similar to the last couple. Maybe an isolated shower storm this afternoon. Don't cancel the outdoor plans. It's only about 20, maybe 30%. It'll be isolated in nature, so most of the day looks good. Warm if you want to hit the pool or get out on the river or lake. Watch the water levels are high, but temperatures will cooperate in the mid-80s. And then our better opportunity for showers and storms late tonight through the day tomorrow. Not a huge severe weather risk, but any time we're in late May and we have thunderstorms in the forecast, we have to watch for that. So we'll keep threat tracker elevated in the yellow or moderate category. We dry out and actually cool off for a day Wednesday before temperatures rise back with just limited chances of rain later on this week. All right, outside right now, once again, we're looking at 62 degrees, a few scattered clouds. Calm winds, no rain here officially since midnight, and minimal chances for that as we head through the next, say, 12 to 24 hours. Other temperatures right now showing 60 in Fremont. Lincoln, you're holding steady there at 61 in the capital city. A little bit cooler to the west. Columbus, York, both at 59. Not much change to the east. Right now, Atlantic and Clarinda, 61. And the warm spot continues to be down in Falls City in the southeastern corner of the state right now at 65. All right, as we check out our exclusive Viper HD radar and satellite, just a few clouds out there. No rain from Douglas into Sarpy in western Pottawatomie County, and that is good news. But if you're watching John yesterday evening, we had a couple of isolated severe storms. They didn't move much for a couple hours on the other side of Lincoln. They kind of fizzled, and we saw a couple of showers redevelop toward Norfolk there, say between about midnight and 2 o'clock. You'll see blips of that. And then most of the energy kind of shifting north out of the viewing area across north central into central Iowa. So most of us, you can see our counties highlighted here, looking rain-free this morning. And I think a majority of the day will continue to be just that. So as we put the maps into motion again, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low to mid 60s to start. Not much wind out of the south and southeast. And then watch as we go through the morning. It's going to be a quick warm-up as temperatures rise through the 70s to near 80 by lunchtime. And then here's that isolated shower storm chance, about 3, 4, 5 o'clock. No big deal there, I don't think. If it even happens, it's about 20%. Most of the evening will be dry, and then there'll be a little bit better chance for showers and storms coming up overnight. As far as severe weather risk, again, with the initial development to the west of us late this afternoon and early this evening, and then much like we've seen this pattern really the last week, as they move east, especially after sunset, they tend to weaken a little bit. Yeah, it's not out of the question. We have a couple warnings go out or a few isolated heavier storms overnight. We'll watch that. I think hail would probably be the primary threat, along with locally heavy rain. In fact, if we see the storms, a lot of us could see a quarter to a half inch. Locally higher amounts, obviously, you get parked on one of those storms, especially if we see what happened west of Lincoln last night. They had locally 2 to 3 inches of rain. The storms didn't move for a couple hours. So that's always a fear, especially as much moisture as we've had. All right, for the afternoon, partly cloudy, 85, about a 20 or 30% chance of a storm. If they do develop this afternoon or this evening, again, a couple of those could be heavy. Otherwise, rain chances actually increase late tonight as we drop to 63. And then our best opportunity for rain, if we had to pick one day out of the next 7, that comes tomorrow, about a 60% chance. I don't think it'll be a wash, but scattered showers and storms a possibility. A little cooler tomorrow and Wednesday with highs in the mid-70s. And then as we warm up and especially add more humidity back in, could see an isolated shower storm Friday night into Saturday. Otherwise, temps get back in the mid-80s next weekend. But again, after Saturday morning, most of next weekend looks to be dry. So this is the best news. We need a chance to dry out, and I think after tomorrow, we'll get a better opportunity to do that. But a couple opportunities for storms means it's time to remind you can download Storm Shield to your smartphone. Once again, a phenomenal weather app to have. We've seen this. We put it to use a lot the last month and a half. If we get under a threat, you'll get the watch and warning sent right to your phone. Of course, you can track the action on the radar feature there, and we have the voice call sent to your landline, so nobody is excluded from severe weather coverage and protection there. All right, right now it's 6:46. Let's go on over to Matt for the latest on our top stories.
Ryan, thank you.